According to Next Level Analytics, this YouTube channel made over $19,000 by posting football shorts in the last 28 days and has garnered over 195 million views in the same period. Their most popular short has over 392 million views. Since the football shorts have an RPM of 0.1, this video alone has made nearly $4,000. The whole channel has already crossed 9 billion views. Insane, right? In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to launch your own football shorts channel. I know you're wondering how you can use football matches in your shorts with no copyright issues. This video will show you how to do that. I will show you the secrets that channels like Footmood are using to create shorts. Using football matches, but still get approved for monetization. To prove that other channels are doing the same, here are numerous other channels I found using the Next Live extension. As you can see, these channels are also getting millions of views, proving that there is an opportunity here. Here's a short I created and uploaded to YouTube with no copyright issues to demonstrate that this can be done. This video will walk you through the whole process, from setting up your channel to making a logo and creating your very first video. As a surprise, I'll give you one last tip that I wish I'd known when I first started. It would have saved me a lot of time and helped me make even more money right away, even with no subs. Does that sound good? Let's go! I created a free PDF with everything I talk about in this video. You will find the link below. First, let's create the channel and come up with a great name for it. If you've done this before, you can skip ahead by clicking on the timestamps below. If you're starting fresh, go to YouTube Studio, click on the icon, and click Create a Channel. Use ChatGPT if you can't think of a name. I went to ChatGPT and asked for brand ideas. They helped me come up with a few catchy names that fit this area. Got a name? Okay, let's write an interesting channel description. Now trust ChatGPT once more to help you write an interesting bio. Now it's time to make your channel unique. Click on Customization in the left-hand menu of YouTube Studio. Write a description for your channel. When you go to Settings Channel, add tags that describe your area. This helps YouTube's system figure out who your audience is. We'll use vidIQ to find keywords with a lot of searches, but not a lot of competition, so that your channel is better for search. You can try it out with the link in the description. If you don't already have an account, click Keyword Research and type in terms that are connected to your niche, like controversial football moments. Select a mix of keywords with high and low competition that are related to your niche. Copy and paste these keywords into your channel tags to make the channel easier to find. Next, we need a logo. The best part? You don't even need to know how to make graphics to do this. Go to an AI image maker. Today, I'm going to use Canva and Leonardo AI. Ask ChatGPT for creative design ideas for a football-themed channel as a first step. After that, ask ChatGPT to come up with a simple prompt for an image generator like Leonardo AI. All of the tools and prompts are listed below. No matter how simple or bright your logo is, it needs to fit within the football niche to get a good logo in minutes with AI tools like Leonardo. All you need is a well-thought-out text prompt. To make a good logo in Leonardo AI, follow the steps in the free PDF. Make sure the image size is set to 800 by 800 pixels, which is what YouTube requires. Got your logo. You can quickly customize it in Canva. Done! Now that you have a brand, let's get to the more important part. Making your first short. Most automation gurus would tell you to just take clips from the football games and post them on YouTube, but those things will keep your channel from being monetized. Yes, you can still do this without breaking YouTube's copyright rules. We will talk about that later in this video. Now I'm sure you want to know where and how to get football clips. Football is a website with millions of football games that is used by top football creators. That being said, it doesn't have a button to download football games. You will soon find out that there's a way to get around this. For now, go to the website and search for some football matches based on your shorts. Title, for instance, stirring moments, match highlights, and the most captivating games serve as excellent inspirations for football videos. You can use a tool like vidIQ to find out which video titles football fans are most interested in. Found your videos? Good. To download them, install Internet Download Manager and download the clips you would like to use. Let's talk about the big problem that nobody wants to talk about: copyright infringement. You can use the football matches you just downloaded without getting in trouble with copyright laws in several ways. One is to add commentary to the matches, which will make them very different from the original. 2, you can add text to the matches to explain things. 3rd, you can cut the video so that only parts of the video are shown. We will talk about 2 more editing tips while we edit the shorts. If you want to add your own thoughts, you can use an AI tool like 11 Labs, voiceovers from 11 Labs. Sounds so much like real people that people can't tell the difference. Pick your favorite and, if possible, choose a voice that sounds friendly and lively. Also, here's a tip from a professional. Editor, get rid of all the awkward breaks in your voiceover to keep the video short and interesting. These small changes do a great job of keeping people interested. To do that, open the recording in the free software Audacity, select the whole clip, go to Effects or Special, trim silence, and save the changes. Set the limit to something like 40 dB and click Apply. That's it. All of those annoying breaks are gone. In this case, let's use video explainers to make the short and leave the official commentary in it. Now that you have all of your match clips, let's cut them up into an interesting football short. CapCut is what I use to edit videos. It's a free video editor that's very easy to use and has all the features we need. Don't worry, even first-timers can easily figure out how to use it. Open CapCut, create a new project, and ensure that the aspect ratio is 9:16, which is the required format for YouTube Shorts. First, bring all the clips into CapCut. We need to trim the clips first. Wide shots shouldn't last more than 5 seconds. For close-ups, don't make them longer than 3 seconds. You can also change the order of the clips, for instance. Start with the last scene, if you have 3 scenes that follow each other. You can also crop the clips to show even less of the original video, which changes the way they look even more. Make sure that the short is less than 3 minutes. Yes, YouTube allows shorts to be a maximum of 3 minutes these days, but I would stick to shorter ones anyway. Last, put text on the screen to describe certain times. Like when someone is offside, there's a free kick, etc. You are now done. Just click export for a great look. Export at 1080p at 60 frames per second. Even though we have the short, we still need to do SEO work. This part is very important if you want people to find your football shorts. To help you find keywords, go to vidIQ. You could even feed the titles of your rivals' videos into vidIQ and have it make a better version that is more accurate. Check those keywords and hashtags one more time. Write an interesting description for your video and you're good to go. Oh no, don't forget the thumbnail. When I do that, I use Canva. You can easily drag and drop parts to make thumbnails with lots of contrast that beg to be clicked on. Here is the secret sauce that most football creators use. You can make thumbnails that people will want to click on by taking screenshots of interesting parts of football games, like when something interesting is about to happen. People who like football will click to find out what happened next. Another trick is to capture screenshots of well-known players enjoying a goal or win. There's no need to add words to these thumbnails because the people in them are already very well known. Done for now. You can only update the thumbnail on mobile. Do that and you are set. Now comes the fun part, making money. You can join YouTube's partner program once you have 1,000 followers and 10 million views in the last 90 days. This means more cash. Football shorts tend to get lots of views. You'll quickly start making a lot of money from ads. I promised you a great tip, and here it is. If you're a football creator, you must join other creators in the football Creators Club. You will learn how to edit football videos with no copyright issues, get access to the best HD football clips, make money through the affiliate program, and get help from other football creators. Click the link in the description to join right now. If you do these things, you'll soon have a Football Shorts YouTube account that pretty much runs itself. Don't forget that I put everything I said into a Google Doc. The link to all the tools and the doc is below. More videos to learn about football automation are popping on your screen right now.